delegations, honorable members of Somalia's parliament, ladies and gentlemen, assalamu alaikum. Your Excellency, President Hassan Sheikh Mohamud, I extend to you, my brother, my hearty greetings and congratulations. I bring to you today a message of goodwill and best wishes from the government and the people of the Republic of Kenya on your re-election and inauguration as the 10th President of the Federal Republic of Somalia. Mr. President, Kenya welcomes warmly the peaceful transition of power and commits to collaborate with you and to support you as you champion the development agenda of the Federal Republic of Somalia. As you know, Your Excellency, Kenya's desire is to further consolidate and forge closer relations between our two countries for good neighborliness and social economic cooperation, regional stability, which is in the best interests of our people. Indeed, Kenya recognizes that our own stability and economic well-being are dependent on the stability and economic well-being of Somalia and the region. So, Your Excellency, a peaceful and prosperous Federal Republic of Somalia is the dream of every Kenyan. Your brothers and sisters in Kenya look forward to working with you so that we can all benefit economically and prosper together. I personally look forward to working with you to remove all barriers to trade, to open our borders, and to establish air links between our two countries so that our people can come closer together. I want to commend you, Mr. President, for I've had an opportunity to work with you before for your dedication and commitment to peace and security in our region. And I am confident that working together, we shall succeed in delivering our dream of a peaceful, prosperous Federal Republic of Somalia, a peaceful, prosperous Kenya, and a peaceful and prosperous region. Your Excellency, let me once again, through you, reiterate Kenya's commitment and support to you, your administration, and the people of Somalia in promoting and upholding peace and security in the region. I look forward, Your Excellency, to opportunities that enable both governments to continue working closely to enhance and strengthen the bonds of brotherhood and strategic cooperation for the mutual benefit of our beloved citizens. My brother, dear President, you can count on Kenya as a dependable partner to Somalia and your development agenda. Congratulations.
Senate Madaxweynaha Kenya